This project was developed as a part of the MCE 202 course. It is embedded systems called a Scanning Ultrasonic Environmental Threat Radar System. The system is based on an Arduino Uno platform. An ultrasonic sensor mounted on a servo motor is used to scan between 0 and 180 degrees. This scanning process allows distance measurements to be taken based on angle. Instead of using traditional delay-based programming, a non-blocking state machine structure is implemented. This allows the servo motion, distance measurement, and alert system to operate smoothly at the same time. Distance measurements are handled using interrupts. This improves measurement accuracy and system stability. Direct port control is also used for faster sensor triggering. This increases overall system performance. When an object is detected critical distance, the system activates visual and audible warnings. In these situations, servo stops and focuses on the detected target. For example, this one. Under normal conditions, the system continues scanning. All measurement data is transmitted to a computer via serial communication. This makes the system suitable for future integration with web-based radar visualizations. Overall, this project goes beyond a simple distance measurement circuit. It presents real-time, efficient, and expandable embedded systems suitable for undergraduate engineering studies.
Sonra